Everyone, I am back with the results of my rice water hair treatment. Now this is video 2, so please be sure to check out video 1 when I had day 1 of the rice water. Now if you're unfamiliar with it, rice water is supposed to help your hair get thicker and longer and stronger, and I looked around YouTube and it was really hard to find somebody with short hair that tried it. It seemed like all the videos were people who already had thick, long hair. So I decided to give it a shot. And I only took pictures of the back of my hair, not the front of it. And I promised that I would be back in a month. And so what I did was every third day I did the rice water treatment, and the details are in video 1, and I would do it for 30 days and I should have seen a result by then. Now here's my before and after pictures. You should be able to see it down here or across the screen depending on how I add it. Now do you see a difference? I don't. So it was very frustrating because it was a lot of work. I bought organic rice. I wasted a lot of food. I let it sit and ferment for a long period of time before putting it in my hair, and then I left it in my hair for at least an hour after washing. It was a lot of work, and I don't see a difference at all. So perhaps it may work for the women in that other country whose hair is past their butt, past their calves, but there has to be something else that they're doing besides just organic rice water. There has to be something else because it didn't work for me. Okay, I promised you I'd give you an update, and I hope I've answered your questions. If I haven't, please be sure to leave comments below, and it would be wonderful if you subscribed and hit the bell button, and you'll be sure to get more videos of the same. I'm going to be doing a lot more 3-minute videos. Okay? Take care. Thank you.